You ever think about trading stocks? I mean, you can now, of course, but there's always been a cost, usually up to $10 for every single trade. That adds up. No way around it for people like you and me. Until now.
In today's day and age, Robinhood has made it very enticing by signing up to their platform with things like the ability to buy free stocks or the feature to be able to buy crypto right on their platform. If you want to know about everything there is to know on the Robinhood platform, I am going to talk about all of this and more, so make sure to stay tuned till the very end. By the way, you can use the link down below to earn a free stock by signing up to Robinhood. So without further ado, my name's Thiago. Let's get into this video. Robinhood was one of the first platforms to enter the scene and offer commission-free trading on stocks. Because if you didn't know, before, in order to either buy or sell a stock on any brokerage platform, there was a commission fee that was attached to that transaction. In the past, this was more prevalent because there was humans placing these orders instead of machines. And with this, Robinhood caused almost all of the brokerages to completely cut out their commission fees for trading. The cool thing about Robinhood too is it is more geared towards the individual rather than the professional or institutional trader. With this, they also brought ease of use and gamification to their platform. Also, at the time of this recording, Robinhood offers 24/7 customer support to all of their clients. Also, at the time of this recording, I really don't have any insight on Robinhood's customer service, so I'd love to know from anybody watching this video, how has your experience been with Robinhood customer service? Has it been good? Has it been bad? Let me know what your experience is. Drop a comment down below. Now, when signing up for Robinhood, you're offered various categories in which you can invest in. Obviously, you can invest in single company stocks, but with Robinhood, you also get the ability to invest in ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. A lot of people like this because it's companies that are bundled up so that you don't have to do the heavy lifting. But remember, always do your homework before you invest. You can now invest with options trading. I honestly don't have too much experience with this, but I would love to learn more. Definitely on my plan of things to learn in the future. If you want to level up your power and investing risk, you can utilize margin, which gives you leverage by using the money that's located in your Robinhood brokerage account. By the way, be very careful when utilizing leverage. And remember what Uncle Ben says, with great power comes great responsibility. With Robinhood, you have access in investing in crypto, which in my opinion, it beats the point of decentralization, but that's a topic for a whole nother video. However, there is something really cool about having everything in one platform. Ladies and gentlemen, Robinhood now offers IRA accounts, both traditional and Roth. So not only can you invest in stocks, but you could also invest in your retirement. The crazy thing about having an IRA with Robinhood is you can earn an additional 3% on all of your annual contributions. However, there is a caveat to this. You must have the annual Robinhood Gold membership in order to qualify. Also, there is a huge disclaimer that you should take a look at. On top of having the Gold subscription, you need to have it a minimum of 1 year after the contribution to keep that 3%. You will need to have W-2 income to be able to contribute. Plus, you must keep your account active with Robinhood for a minimum of 5 years so that your bonus does not get removed. This is why I always put an emphasis on the fine print. However, there are a couple of pros. You will actually earn a 1% match on all of your investments, regardless if you have gold or not, which could add a nice compounding effect over time. You could also roll over any existing IRAs or 401k accounts. Now, by opening up an IRA, you could actually get some guidance on what to diversify your stocks in. You could also get the benefits of trading options while using a tax advantage account. On top of this, your money is insured by the SIPC for up to $500,000. Also with Robinhood, you get notified of when IPOs are happening and get access to investing in companies in pre-IPO prices. You can set up your account to invest automatically. This helps a lot, especially if you use the dollar cost average strategy. You could start investing with as little as $1. This is great, especially if you don't have a big budget. You can get help placing your first trade. You can get access to investment knowledge and insights by using the Robinhood app. Now, before I did mention Robinhood Gold, this is a subscription that costs $5 a month that gives you access to various perks. By the way, again, at the time of this recording, they are offering 30 days free when you sign up for Robinhood Gold. The first benefit of having Robinhood Gold is you will earn 5% APY on any money that you have idling in your Robinhood brokerage account or money that you have in any partnering banks. You can also get access to the Robinhood Gold credit card, which gives you an amazing 3% cash back on all of your purchases across all categories. If you want to know more about this card, make sure that you guys subscribe because this is the next video that I will be creating in this series. You can also make 1% back on all deposits that you make towards the app. Again, make sure to read the fine print so you can be aware of all of the intricacies. As I mentioned before, you will have 3% earnings on your IRA account. You will have access to instant deposits of up to $50,000 at a time. You will also get access to NASCAD's level 2 data, which is basically a fancy tool that makes investing a lot easier. On top of this, if you do borrow money from your margin account, your first $1,000 that you do borrow will be interest free. As you can see, Robinhood has really evolved since its inception. Not only do you have a mobile platform with Robinhood Investing, but you also do have a web platform. You basically have everything to invest and keep track of your investments. So what are my thoughts on this platform? I think it's really evolved and transformed. Yes, it's gotten heat in the past, but I think it's a very great beginner platform. They make it easy and fun to invest, which some of the platforms out there make it a puzzle just to place a trade. However, I don't like the subscription portion. I don't like the subscription model. It only makes sense if you have enough money in the platform and if your gains will outweigh the loss in the beginning. However, if you are a beginner and not an advanced investor, I highly recommend this platform for you. Its ease of use, gamification, and easy to use platform are a huge plus. Plus, you get guidance in investing. If you're a casual options trader, this is a great platform for you. They just make it that easy for the average person. Now, I want to know, what do you guys think? Have you used it? Do you use it? Or are you just thinking about signing up? Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. However, if you guys do want to check out other platforms like Charles Schwab and upgrade your investing, make sure to check out this video that I'm going to leave you right here on the screen. Click on it right now.